This facility turns what most people throw away into objects that sell for thousands of dollars. But before any of that happens, before polished through a process so extreme, most people would never believe it. Brahman cattle are unlike any other breed raised in the United States. Their horns grow dense, long, and naturally white-tipped, a structural material so tough it rivals synthetic polymers.
Right now, this looks like nothing. In 6 days, it will be unrecognizable.
What took 3 years to grow on that ranch is now on an 18-hour drive to a facility most people will never see. The material has arrived. Now the real process begins. What you're about to see is the part of this factory that almost no cameras have captured. The reason is simple. It's genuinely dangerous. Every piece that passes this table is worth processing. Every piece that doesn't becomes something else entirely. Most people assume horn is a single solid material. It isn't. It's layered, like an onion, and each layer has a different purpose. This step reveals them all. This bath does in 4 hours what nature would take 4 decades to do. It opens the material at a molecular level. Every inch of this hide has a value. The difference between a luxury leather product and a scrap bin is a chalk line drawn in the right place. One pass through this machine and the hide has already lost 15% of its raw weight. What's left is pure material. After treatment, the horns are soft enough to split. A hydraulic press receives each horn placed vertically by a worker. The blade descends. Splitting the horn cleanly is what luxury buyers pay a premium for. You're looking at the raw material for handles, buttons, frames, knife scales, and accessories that appear in the world's most expensive boutiques. There is no pause button on this machine. A worker who misjudges the grip point doesn't get a warning. The yellow line exists because someone once didn't respect it. This is the moment in the process where the material stops looking like something discarded and starts looking like something desired. Inside those drums, the hide is being fundamentally restructured at the fiber level. It enters stiff and dense. It will leave flexible and ready to receive tanning chemistry. This rinse removes every trace of the liming chemistry. What goes into the next stage has to be chemically neutral, or the entire batch can be ruined. This stage is where most factories make the mistake that costs them entire batches. The enzyme concentration, the temperature, the timing. In this facility, that's been refined over 14 years of production. This floor runs 3 shifts a day, 7 days a week. The machines don't sleep. The process doesn't pause.
Accounts for over 80% of the world's leather production. But the difference between commodity leather and luxury leather is what happens after this drum stops.
A long, continuous horizontal band blade cuts each hide to a % thickness. This machine calibrates to 1/10 of a millimeter. One wrong setting affects every unit in the batch. Each grit change is a visual reveal. By station 3, people who've never seen this process usually lean in closer. This color took 11 formulation attempts to get right. The client's specification was a single Pantone swatch. This is the result. After dyeing, hides return to a drum for fat liquoring. Oils penetrate the fibers, restoring flexibility. The difference is immediate. The pre-treated hide resists bending. This step prevents cracking, ensuring leather lasts for decades.
Horn has grain like wood, been used in luxuries for 4,000 years. This is why it still is.
Everything that entered this facility as raw biological material is now something else entirely. But it still isn't ready. The machines that come next are the ones that almost nobody gets to see. This machine costs more than most people's houses. It runs 12 hours a day. It pays for itself every 90 days. Laser-cut horn components move to the ultrasonic welding unit. High-frequency vibration generates localized heat, fusing the components at the molecular level. No glue, no heat damage, a bond that outlasts the product. This single machine replaced 16 manual cutters. It doesn't replace the people who set it up, monitor it, and maintain it. It makes them more valuable. In the history of this facility, the reject rate for metal contamination is 0.003%. That number exists because this machine makes complacency impossible. Automated scanners inspect leather in real time, flagging defects. Flagged pieces are diverted for human review. The machine prioritizes consistency, a more valuable asset. Accepted leather pieces and horn components are individually barcoded at an inline printing station. A thermal transfer printer applies a label to each piece's interior surface. In Luckton's each label is readable, provenance is value.
This is the finish that sells the product before the consumer knows what they're looking at.
The edge is where the amateur product fails. The edge is what the expert notices first. The hardware costs less than the horn. But if the hardware doesn't fit the horn perfectly, neither of them has any value. This facility completes over 2,000 finished units per 8-hour shift. Each unit has passed through 47 individual quality checks. Each check is logged. Each log is stored for 5 years. The raw material for each unit costs between $12 and $18 at origin. Processing, labor, quality control, $1,200. The whole printing price to approximately $50 to $200 prior. The box is the first thing the buyer touches. In luxury goods, the packaging is not an afterthought. It is the opening statement.
Opening case for spot check. Counting 12 boxes, labels match batch record. Resealing case, process complete.
This machine palletizes at a rate of 14 cases per minute, 24 hours a day. The human equivalent would require 8 workers per shift. Section 46, forklift movement. Every forklift in this facility carries only full pallets. The rack system extends the full length of the warehouse. This warehouse holds finished product worth over $14 million. Luxury goods made from natural materials cross international borders with a documentation requirement most factories can't meet. This facility has a 0 rejection rate at customs. That's not luck, that's process. Before this container closes, someone in Milan already knows it's loaded. This facility ships to 47 countries. It has 312 active brand clients. Now the piece 12 months, it pretty pačas mostrano, back with you with its attractive what it actually looks like. This is the same horn that entered this facility raw, rough, and covered in organic residue 6 days ago. Every centimeter of this leather was processed in this building. The animal it came from was raised within 600 miles of here. This is what the buyer sees. This is the first moment in the process where someone outside this building can form an opinion. Everything before this was invisible. Everything before this is the reason this moment is worth something. At scale, consistency is the product. The client doesn't pay for one perfect unit, they pay for 1,000 perfect units that are indistinguishable from each other. Order at this scale doesn't happen by accident. It happens because the system was designed before a single unit was ever produced. This order ships to a luxury goods house in Paris. Delivery window, 48 hours from dispatch. They will receive exactly what they ordered, exactly when they expected it. That reliability is what keeps a client for 20 years.
Doors closing, seal scanning now. Seal confirmed. Everything arrived at this product. Val leading as a boutique that has no idea what this building looks like.
The final accounting of what the batch produced beyond the primary product. Every input categorized, processed, and either shipped out as a product or treated as a managed waste stream.
6 days ago, this batch was an animal on a ranch in Texas. Today, it's in a box on a truck heading to a customer who factored in saying that it was. It changed what it could become. Here is the finished product.
Opening it reveals the horn and leather item secured in its foam insert. The packaging is precise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.